Good evening and welcome back. This is lesson 4, board events, walkthrough, and assessment solution. So in this lesson we were introduced to the on-board event block, which is analogous to the on-event block we used in the last lesson on updating screen elements. In the last lesson we used on-event as an event handler to run some code when one of the screen elements was pushed, like a button was pushed. And now we're doing the same thing, except we're adding event handling to events on the board, such as moving the toggle switch or pressing buttons. So our job here is to make a mood descriptor. Angel is working on an app that lets them communicate their current mood to a screen that can hang outside the door before anyone enters the room. From inside the room, Angel can press buttons on the Circuit Playground, which updates the app on the outside of the room. So we want to, number 1, close the toggle switch and show a happy emoji. Number 2, opening the toggle switch right shows a sad emoji. Number 3, pressing the right button makes the emoji large, 200 by 200, as if to say they're very happy or very sad. And pressing the left button makes the emoji small, 100 by 100. As if to say they're kind of happy or kind of sad. The app has already been started for you, but it's missing all the inputs for when Angel uses their Circuit Playground. So let's get started. The app works as described, with the emojis changing to match the user input. So essentially, we just need to make sure that we've done all 4 of these things. We have it laid out right here. When the toggle switch is closed, show a happy emoji. So we're going to use pull over an onboard event handler, and the component that we're dealing with on the circuit board is the toggle switch, and we want, when it is closed, to execute some code which shows a happy emoji. And so we're going to go over to UI controls and grab a set property. And this would be the emoji icon that we're changing. And we want to set the image to a happiness icon. Smilo. Toggle switch is closed, show a happy icon. When the toggle switch is open, show a sad emoji. We could probably just copy this. Copy paste. When that is open, we're going to set the emoji image to Mr. Brownie. When the right button's pressed, make the emoji large. Get that out of there. Put it there. When the right button's pressed, so the component that we want here is the right button goes down. We set the emoji icon. We set the width and height. Is that how I did it? Yes, width and height. It makes it large, 200 by 200, so the width 200, and then we're just gonna duplicate that block and change this to height. When the left button's pressed, make the emoji small, so let's grab this block, copy it down here. We're going to change the component to the left button, press down. It needs to be 100 by 100. There it is. All right, let's try it out, see if it works. Okay, so can you guys see this? I don't know. This is upside down to me. So this is my toggle. So my toggle is left right now. I'm getting the frown. The toggle switch is closed. Show happy. When it's open, show sad. It said something about right up here. Opening the toggle switch right shows sad, and closing the toggle switch shows happy, so that would be left. So it's left right now. I got them backwards. That's right, that's left. Right, left. Happy, sad. So really, I mean, we could change this to open and close, but I don't think that's that big of a deal. So now when I go left, I'm happy, and right, I'm sad. So left, happy, right, sad. So the toggle switch is working. And what about the right and left button? Pressing the right is large, left is small, so right. Okay, and if we hit the right button, that's here, it should go large, and then left button is small, right button's large, left button small, large, small, large, small. Looks like that's all there is to this one. Onboard events. Taking input from the board is what we're doing here. Instead of just taking input from the user in the in the app dialog here, we're taking input from the devices on the board. All right, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.